Hello, and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're doing NHS Stop Smoking services in England. So we've got data going all the way back to June 2004. There's 817,000 rows so far, so a fair bit of detail. You can see the tables here. A couple of them are discontinued, but most of it's getting new data coming in all the time. It's quite a lot, but I decided to query all of them anyway. So, socioeconomic data. So you can see the data there. So I'm expecting you to just pause the video while I just display what's on here. Here's the secondary metric goes onto a second page. So that's socioeconomic. Then we've got pharmacotherapy. I haven't actually listed all the different quit statuses and everything because the video is going to get too long, but you get the idea there. Then we've got pregnant women. So you get the idea there. Then prescriptions. Then setting the quit date. Let's have a look at these two measures actually. You can see the measures there. Then we have combined age and gender data. So I just expand metric primary. There you go. And metric secondary is just them, and tertiary is the ages. Then we've got ethnic data. So you've got different ethnicities. So that's that. Financial data. So you pause the video and you can see from the metrics the sort of data that's got. Intervention setting. And finally, intervention type. So after a free trial, you can have a proper play with that.